Hello students, today we are going to discuss some numericals of 8C, that is on electrical power and energy. Let's start with this numerical. A 6 volt 12 watt lamp is connected in series with a resistor R and a source of voltage 12 volt. What is the purpose of the resistor? Now you can see that the rating of the lamp is 6 volt but the supply voltage is 12 volt. It means that this resistor is helping us to reduce the current to its safe limit value. Let us see how it helps. This is the arrangement here. Lamp is in series with some unknown resistance. First of all, let us find out the safe limit of the current of the lamp and its resistance. That we can calculate from our formula P is equals to VI. Current comes out 2 ampere and resistance of the lamp comes out 3 ohm from the formula P is equals to V square by R. So R dash here is the resistance of that bulb. Now see, if this resistor would not be attached, what will happen? 12 volt supply will go to this only and the current will increase. How it will increase? Let us check that if the voltage is 12 volt, I with V upon R dash means R dash is the resistance of that bulb. I will be increased and it will be 4 ampere. Now this 4 ampere would damage this bulb. That's why this extra resistance has been attached to it. Next question is, what is the value of this resistance? Now how to calculate this resistance from the safe limit of the current? We will use this value of current. We will see that if its resistance is known, this is in series, then total resistance of the circuit will become R plus R dash, that is 3 plus R. How much is the total voltage? 12 volt. So applying Ohm's law, we can find out this unknown resistance R. That will come out 3 ohm. And you can also judge from this arrangement that if 4 ampere flows through the 3 ohm resistor, only the 3 ohm resistor, then I want 2 ampere, half of that current. It means ki resistance should be doubled. That's why it comes out 3 ohm. 3 plus 3, 6. So that for the same V, 12 upon 6, 2 ampere current should go. Now I hope that is clear to all of you. He is also asking current flowing through the circuit, that we already calculated. It was 2 ampere. Let's talk about the next example. Two coils R1 and R2, 3 and 6 ohm are connected in series across a battery of potential difference 12 volt. Draw the circuit diagram. So the first part is to draw the diagram and find the electrical energy consumed in 1 minute in each resistance. Then he is asking us total energy supplied by the battery in 1 minute. So how will we solve? Very simple question. See, this will be the answer of the first part, the diagram. Two resistors are in series and connected to a 12 volt battery. Time for which current flowing? 60 seconds. And RS is total. RS is 9 ohm. Total voltage is 12. So I should calculate I first. Why? Because in series what remains constant? I remains constant, means I remains same in both the resistors. So I calculated that I comes out 4 by 3 ampere. I'll leave it like that only. Don't convert it into decimal points because I'm going to use this value in the further calculations of total energy. Now for energy, I will not use the formula V square by R into T or the formula VIT. I'll avoid that formula. Why? Because potential gets divided in series. So what remains same? I. That I have calculated. So I will prefer this formula only. Otherwise I have to calculate individual voltages of both the resistors. That will increase the length of the answer and it will consume more time also. So I'll prefer this I square RST. Now I square RST here gives us total energy. Total energy comes out 960. That was the second question, second part of the question. First part was individual energy consumed. So that will be I square R1T, I square R2T. Just substitute the values of R1, R2, I and T here. You will get 320 joule energy consumed by the first resistor, 640 by the second resistor. Again you can check total of these comes out 960 as we have calculated here. So I hope this is also clear to you. Let's talk about the next problem. Next problem is again two same resistor R1 and R2, 6 and 3 ohm are connected in parallel. Now they are connected in parallel with a 12 volt battery. Again he is asking us draw a circuit diagram, calculate the energy consumed in 1 minute in each resistance. So the circuit diagram will be like this: R1 R2 in parallel with 12 volt. Now in parallel combination current gets divided, but what remains same? The potential supply, the voltage supply. So I will prefer to use this formula now, right? So first of all, RP, the parallel resistance, it comes out 2 ohms, voltage is 12 volt. W1 comes out V square by R1 into T, 2880 joule by calculating and substituting all the values. Similarly, W2 comes out 1440 joule. And I may also here calculate total energy, means with RP it comes out 4320. Again I may check that this is the sum of these two energies consumed. That's it with this question. Let's talk about the seventh problem. Figure here shows two resistors A 4 ohm, B 6 ohm joined in series with the battery having some EMF and internal resistance. So EMF is given and internal resistance is given. So calculate the current in the circuit. Now for the current in the circuit, these are in series, they must be added. 6 plus 4, 10. But one more resistance is in series, that is the internal resistance of this cell. So total resistance becomes RA plus RB plus R, that is 12 ohm. Total EMF is 12. So total current will be EMF upon total resistance. So 12 upon 12, it comes out 1 ampere. Then terminal voltage. Terminal voltage is EMF minus voltage drop, that is IR. Now I is known, small r is given. So we may calculate voltage drop. Third part is potential across resistance B. Now we know that potential difference or the voltage, it gets divided between A and B. So potential difference across B will be I into RB, that is resistance of this resistor, and I was same, so it comes out 6 volt. Then the electrical energy spent in 1 minute in resistance A, energy spent in this, now its resistance is known, its I is known, and time is known 1 minute. So I will prefer the formula where I, R and T are there. So I square RA T. Substituting the values, I'll get this result. Let's talk about the next problem. Two bulbs A and B are rated 100 watt 120 volt and 10 watt 120 volt respectively. They are connected across a 120 volt source in series. It means voltage will get divided. Calculate the current through each bulb. Now current remains same in the series, but for that I need to know the resistances of these two bulbs. So I'll first find out the resistance of A and resistance of B by using this formula of my power and voltage. By using the formula P is equals to V square by R. I'll calculate RA, that comes out 144, that is the resistance of the bulb with 100 watt power. Next I will calculate RB, that comes out 1440. So this is the resistance of the second bulb which was rated only 10 watt. Now for current, I know the total supply voltage is this. Total resistance will be added up. It comes out 1584 ohm. So total current in the circuit will be V upon RS. And it comes out 0.08 amperes. Now the same current will pass through each bulb. Second part was power consumed. So power consumed ke liye I have I, that is the same current. I have R and RA and RB, means resistances of both the resistors. Now I have calculated. So power consumed can be calculated by using I square RA, I square RB. Since RA was very less as compared to RB. So I'll see that power consumed by the A bulb will be less as compared to B. It means the bulb which was rated 10 watt will consume more power if it is connected with series with the other bulb, when they are connected in series. So I can see here कि if the supply voltage is not 120 122 both, then voltage gets divided, and voltage gets divided, that's why the bulb with lesser power will consume more power. In actual, it will consume more power, that we have seen here. Next problem with the same kind of bulbs. Same kind of bulbs means same rating of bulbs. They have given us the similar problem, but now they are connected in parallel. Now in parallel, if two bulbs are connected, it means कि those two bulbs are getting same voltage. The voltage does not get divided, and for the power consumption which was rated in the power rating, if voltage is equal to the rated voltage, voltage of the source is equal to the rated voltage, then the power consumption will be the same which is given in the power rating. So this answer, which bulb will consume more power, you will simply, without calculating, you can write that 100 watt bulb will consume more power, because both are connected to a 120 volt supply of the source, right? Then current, we know that the current gets divided in parallel combination, it will get divided here. So I can say that how to calculate current. Current will be calculated by using your formula V is equals to IR, but for that you have to first calculate RA/RB again, like we have done in the previous problem. Then current in first will be V upon first resistance, current in second will be V upon second resistance. So different currents will flow in both the bulbs. Bulb with more resistance will get lesser current. Its resistance was 10 times more than the first. That's why its current is 10 times less than the current flowing in the first. I hope the things are clear till now. Next examples we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.